Oh shit.
Smooth. I heard the magical sound. Give me some.
Ew. That was on camera. Sort of. Her guitar.
Her name's Sexy Candy.
Like a lot of things.
Everything's sexy. That guy too. Where's mine? No.
I'm not gonna do anything. I need my soda. That's my sister slurping it. Quit looking at my boobs. Should I emphasize them?
No. No. Took me a while. Watch me. You watch my TV. Cat. He's not bears. Wait, there you go. Wait. Stay there for a while.
Message!
What's on my TV? My phone is ringing.
And she's changing her shirt.
It's not on camera. Shut up.
But is it recording?
It's recording, but it's not recording me changing.
Where is... Oh.
Hey, give me my phone.
It's for me. Wait, it's another forward thing. I make you blurry.
No, I don't want to know. You're so weird.
You're right there. And she's following me again.
I can't see you.
Oh, shit.
Oh, never mind.
Hey!
Haha.
What'd you do?
TV turned something.
Hit the thing and then turn it on.
It is on.
Or whatever. Stop it. Now try to...
No, I'm not trying to poke your boob.
Other way.
Ah! Oh, that's bright!
Shit!
I looked straight at it. Stupid light. Go away.
I did.
Go in my room. Messy. Messy room.
Maybe you'll clean it on camera.
No. Who wanna watch me clean?
I don't know. Lonely guys.
What the hell? Ooh, they saw your thingy.
They think that's yours.
Well, it's not mine.
Well, kept looking at
If it's in a bag, it's not mine. Look at that.
Quit looking at it.
See, you're grabbing it. It's yours.
Yes, it's mine.
Oh my god. You're so weird. Oh my god.
And my sister's afraid to say it's yours, too.
No, don't want to know.
Love.
By my love. What did you say?
Who?
What did you say? My dad.
I'm gonna put the cat out.
Yay, I get to have fun with this. Kiss my boob with the camera.
Wait, where's your cat? Where's your cat? Where's it?
What's cat? Ziggy?
That cat.
Turn the light.
There's a cat right there. This cat is funny. It attacked her cousin for no reason. We were just laughing at it. That was a funny thing.
Slap yourself?
I walked into a wall, actually.
Oh my god. You're so weird.
Well, at least it's not as worse as my school. I walk into doors purposely.
Mitchie.
Or I accidentally walk into them. Even lockers.
Who wants a drink? There's me a little cut thingy. Oh, move, and I dropped it. No one saw that.
I caught it on camera.
Don't tell my mom. She's gonna be mad.
Here, you have fun. I'm bored. Wah. I'm not a good paparazzi person.
Shut up.
I'm a better gamer.
I'm texting my one and only love. Yes, I'm taken. Leave me alone. Yeah. Zen, 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 zen. Zen, zen, zen. She's on camera. Oh. Zen, 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 zen. Zen, 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 zen. Ah, it's sent. Yeah, sucker. That was, yeah, do on Saturday nights.
I don't want... Shit.
We heard that.
I said shit, not shit.
Whatever.
I just wish I said shit. Quit biting me.
I sneezed.
Finally. Again. Monsters!
We're gonna skip. I don't know to where.
Computer.
Oh, I can't even hold still. Oh my god. Whoa, Mississippi splits.
No, don't tell you sexy.
No, I don't want to know. No, I don't want to know at all. Come here. Come here, baby. Ah, it's stuck. Oof. Obviously, I'm a gothic chick. So I gotta listen to it. Maybe. No one saw that. Sweet dreams by Marilyn Manson. Heifer. Well, I got a 10. Whatever. I don't give a shit. Anyways, yeah, extremely bored. Say bye, Danny.
Bye bye. Or when am I supposed to say bye, Danny?
I don't know. Look, Ziggy. It's my kitty cat. And he sniffs the camera. I don't know why. Mwah. Look at your big butt. Whatever. Bye bye.